Hi you guys. If you haven't figured it out by now, I live in the Pacific Northwest. I gotta tell you, there's some beautiful sights here. There's a lot of hidden away places. Great places to go fishing. But in order to get to those places, you're having to drive through some rough terrain. I have a Yukon with all-wheel drive. The problem is I'd be stupid to drive in those areas with the current tires that I have. So I've been looking for a while for some tires. I'm not loyal to any name brand. That's because I'm more loyal to my money. I'm not looking for anything aggressive. I'm not going to climb up any sand dunes or any deep mud. Any tread like this while you're driving is going to be very noisy. So I fell upon these tires. They're called Falkens. I like the way the tread looks. It's aggressive but not too aggressive. If you want to know the specs of these tires, just look below. Out of all the tires, I picked this one. When I started doing my research on these tires, I couldn't believe who this company is. Falken is one of the many companies that SRI owns. They own Dunlap, and I believe they also own Goodyear now. I'll leave a link above or below if you want to know more about this company. They're huge. Well, I was up late one night on Craigslist, and lo and behold, I found this ad. This guy had the exact tires I was looking for, but the rims were for a Toyota, which is okay with me. You'll see my reasoning here in a moment. Anyway, the guy just got these tires, but he didn't like them because he's more in the mud and sand dunes kind of thing. So he needed something a little more aggressive. So these tires had about 80%. He wanted $300 for them. In the ad, he says his tire size is 265 75 17. Well, my Yukon takes 265 70 17. I checked to make sure that the 75 would work. It just means it's a little wider. But when I looked at the tires were 265 70 17. What are the chances of that happening? So it cost me $100 to install them, $300 for the tires. I sold the rims for $250, and I sold my old tires for $100. Anyway, these tires hardly cost me anything. Anyway, I went down, had them installed, and man, they look and feel great. These are not noisy at all. I'm surprised. Well, as you might have guessed, I couldn't wait to test these out on some rough terrain. And so far, they're handling great. Well, winter's coming up pretty soon. We'll see how they handle. So stay tuned for a future video and I'll tell you how these tires handle. Okay, so you know the exact tire I have. It's called a Falken WildPeak A T3W. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!